Hello guys, in this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Rock D, a character concept artist. Rock D has a number of really fantastic, fun, quirky, interesting character designs, so we'll take a look at some of them. First of all, I got this character called Blacksmith Exorcist. Just a very nice character design, guys. The characters made by Rock D are just very expressive, nicely exaggerated, nice color schemes. Good mix of like realism and quirkiness and fantasy and sci-fi, and just a wide variety of, you know, tones and time periods and everything else. Here's a skin from Overwatch. I don't know how popular Overwatch still is. I'm not much into gaming anymore, but one thing I've always appreciated about the skins, guys, is the ability to take various concepts and integrate them into the character. It's like here we're going with the theme of like a baseball player, and what I really like about this is how they integrate various elements of baseball into like into a sci-fi armor concept. And they even like, I mean, they took like baseball and somehow made a baseball themed sci-fi weapon. So I've always liked how artists would take various themes and apply to the character skins. I've always appreciated that. Here is a sci-fi football player. You can see how various you know, football armor is taken to the extreme and given a sci-fi twist. Here's a nice little, I don't know, tribal medieval robot. A lot of nice things coming together here. Got some wood here, got some metal, got some like tribal leaves here. So it just kind of evokes the jungle and the medieval period and gladiators and just a lot of pirates with the peg leg right here. So there's a lot of nice, fun ideas coming together here. Here you got this nice grizzled war veteran cat. Just very much like how grumpy he looks. I mean, you take... There's a number of fun concepts here, right? You got the grumpy cat concept. Everyone likes their fun little images of the grumpy cat. But then he's got like a scar. He's got like an eye patch. He's got the sci-fi armor on. So I just can't help but smile looking at a concept like this. Here we've got a nice little Gladiator Robot. Another nice mech design right here. Just like the use of roundness, a lot of round imagery here. Just a very nice shape for the mech. Looks like it's got some drills as well. Here's a nice little turtle guy, turtle monster creature. He took an old artwork here and kind of revamped it. And I always appreciate a big turtle rock scaly monster like this, so I like to see the before and after as well. Looks like we got some nice spicy squads, like pepper-based characters. So I always just like characters. I always like artists who put a lot of fun into the designs, who really enjoy their job, and who can make these wacky concepts come to life as well. Alright guys, that has been Rock D. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.